Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can purchase BNB on Binance. Before you can do anything, you must have an account on Binance. And by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebate when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, all you need to do is simply head over to the P2P section, which is just on the screen. Once you've selected the P2P menu, simply use this scroll bar here and select the BNB. By selecting BNB, you're going to be taken to a menu where you can simply put in an amount of crypto you wish to buy, and then the cryptocurrency will then be deposited directly into your bank account. So this action can be performed by simply clicking on the buy option, and then proceed to enter an amount of your cryptocurrency you wish to buy. So you could either buy by quantity, that's depending on the amount of BNB you wish to have. So let's say you're looking to purchase 0.01. You could then put in this and click on buy with zero fees. But if you're looking to buy with your fiat, that's your native currency, simply enter an amount you wish to buy. Let's say 200,000 of the Nigerian naira. Simply click on buy with zero fees. And once you've done this, the payment would be made, and you would then send the 200,000 into the merchant's bank account. And then after confirming, the merchant would then deposit BNB into your wallet, and you can confirm this deposit by heading over to the wallet section, scrolling from the overview to the spot and or funding, and once you've reloaded, you'd find your BNB here. So guys, do comment down below if you've got a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.